Stop scrolling. What you're about to see isn't science fiction, it's the future of smart homes happening right now. Imagine rain falling, clouds forming, and water evaporating. Inside your living room, today we're revealing a technology so mesmerizing it transforms water from a utility into art. Welcome to the automated water cycle display where nature meets innovation. This isn't just a screen or decoration. It's a living, breathing ecosystem mounted on your wall. Watch as tiny droplets rise, form realistic clouds, and release gentle rainfall in real time. Every movement mirrors Earth's actual water cycle, bringing the outdoors inside. This sophisticated system seamlessly connects with your smart home, responding to your environment like a digital pulse of nature itself. So, how does this magic happen? Behind that glass lies an invisible network of sensors constantly monitoring the temperature, humidity, and even the air quality in your room. An AI brain analyzes this data every second, orchestrating perfectly timed rainfall and cloud movements. Advanced micropumps and ultrasonic atomizers create authentic mist and droplets you can almost feel. And here's the genius part: it's a closed-loop system. The same water cycles endlessly, evaporating, condensing, falling, wasting virtually nothing. It's nature's efficiency perfected by technology. But why would you want this in your home? Imagine waking up to gentle rainfall sounds without the storm. Studies show moving water reduces stress and enhances focus. This becomes your personal meditation space. For families, it's an educational marvel. Kids can watch condensation, precipitation, and evaporation unfold before their eyes, making science tangible. Plus, it passively regulates room humidity, improving air quality naturally. And let's be honest, when guests ask about that mesmerizing wall feature, you've got the best conversation starter in any home. Let's talk specs for the tech enthusiasts. This uses precision micropump technology and ultrasonic atomization to create droplets ranging from 1 to 50 micrometers. It's compatible with major smart home ecosystems Matter Thread, and it even works with Alexa and Google Home. You can control everything via voice or an app. Rainfall intensity, cloud speed, even LED backlighting colors, power consumption, less than a typical smart bulb. Maintenance, minimal, just refill the reservoir monthly and clean it quarterly. It's designed for years of whisper quiet operation. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Imagine your display syncing with real outdoor weather raining inside when it rains outside, creating perfect harmony with nature. Future updates could let you simulate different ecosystems: tropical rainforest mornings, desert monsoons, or Arctic mist. Customization is endless. Choose your frame material. Display size from a compact 24 inches to dramatic 60-inch installations, and backlighting to match your room's mood. This isn't just technology added to your home. It's your home elevated into something extraordinary, where function becomes art and efficiency becomes beauty. The future of smart living is here, and it's absolutely stunning. If you're ready to transform your space, hit subscribe for more innovations like this. Drop your questions below. Would you install this in your home? Share this with someone who needs to see the future. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative.